planet of in solar system. So what are the latitudes and longitudes? These are the imaginary lines of globe or earth. You will imagine the earth is like a sphere. No, it is wrong because it is flattened at the north and south. Flattened means it is like a slat, very flat, and in middle part the earth is bulged. Bulge means this very like that balloon. So like the globe is a true model of the earth. We call it the globe. Globe, you look, and then southern pole. These both are points help to we can identify the globe edge points, and then we call them axis. Axis means it is fixed through the globe in tidal manner. In tidal manner, axis, these are called imaginary lines. Passes are two poles, northern and southern hemisphere. So the globe we divided in two parts. We called these are northern hemisphere, this one part, and another one part is southern hemisphere. It rotates from the globe rotates from west to east. We feel that the sun arises in east because the earth rotates west to east. So we feel that we cannot feel that because the earth is like magnetic. We cannot move on the earth. The earth only move, but we cannot feel that. The real earth has no any needles. The real lines means they are horizontal lines, and we can find them in north direction. That letter we can find in from the end, and in southern direction it is also we call that letter from the S. So here Chandrapur in Maharashtra, and also below horizon in Brazil country. So both are countries having 20-degree temperature, but directions are both are changed. 20-degree in Maharashtra in north direction, and horizon in Brazil. This is we can see in 20 degrees in south hemisphere. Both are the same degrees, but directions are changed. When the equator divided in two parts in southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, we call, see, this is the picture of important parallel of latitude. So in North Pole, near the North Pole, this part we call the frigid zone, and then this part, this total part we call that the North Temperate Zone, and this line we call the Tropic of Cancer. This is the northern hemisphere part. This all, and near the equator behind us dark room, that we can see in straight rays. We can see there straight rays on that object. But when we slant that object again on falling the torch that object or the walls, that we can see there slanting rays there. Slanting rays we can observe here. So this type changes the sun rays because Torrid zone take the directly sun rays in this part, in any part, because we called it a heat zone. And then temperate zone. Temperate zone, few little bit or decreasing the rays, sun rays beside the Tropic of Cancer and beside the Tropic of Capricorn. In midday, sun never shine in these places because the sun ray little bit slanting there. Overhead on any latitude have more moderate temperature. We can see in these places here. Northern temperate zone and southern temperate zone part. We can feel that places temperature is moderate. Moderate means either it is not heat, either it is not cold. There is equivalent maintenance because the sun rays slanting there. And third one, frigid zone. Frigid zone, very cold. These are frigid zone. These places in both sides, North Pole and South Pole, near both poles, frigid zone are always cold because they get not sun rays in any time, any moment until to year. That place they cannot get the sun rays. We call those are frigid zone. Always slanting and provide less heat. There is very less heat. There is no can see there sun rays in that places. So then, what are the latitudes? We know about the latitudes are like this. In the horizontal lines like this. But longitude is straight lines like this. Imaginary lines, which are lines join the north and southern pole. So, which are the lines here in the middle? We can see here which are the lines. These are imaginary lines on the earth. Those lines join the north pole to south pole. In both sides, join those lines. We call that longitudes. So, southern pole and northern pole, both sides they have equal importance. When we classified in southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere about the latitude, but different is there. We divided in the latitude. This is the part of eastern hemisphere and this is the part of western hemisphere. And find out the degrees like this in 30 degree in east. This part all our degrees we called 60. Increasing there and near the north pole degrees are increasing and those we can find the letter of E, east part, this one, eastern hemisphere, and also in southern hemisphere, say the way in 30 degree west, 60 degree west, in 90 degree west, 150 in west, and 150 in east, both are same in, finally we can identify 180 degree in western and 180 degrees line or degrees in north eastern part. Both are 360 degrees. Those have in latitude or longitude. When we edit the all lines in like that in grid way, 360 degrees total. So Tonga Instrument is